Quick sound comparison between these two LENRUE RGB computer speakers.
Power on.
They both sell for around the same price, around $20.
Power off.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and
LENRUE A07S sounds louder and more balanced. The A25 sounds deeper and less powerful. Winner is LENRUE A07S, in my opinion, after using them both.